Hey everyone, welcome back to MyFitMed. Ever wonder if the tiny drop of oil could be the superhero your body needs? Today we are diving into CBD, what it is, how it can benefit you, and how it's used in IV therapy. Ready to find out if this cannabinoid compound is your ticket to feeling fantastic? So let's get into it. CBD or cannabidiol is a non-psychoactive compound extracted from the cannabis plant. Unlike THC, which is known for its psychoactive effect, CBD doesn't alter your mental state. Instead, it interacts with body's endocannabinoid system. It's a complex network of receptors and neurotransmitters that helps regulate physiological processes including inflammation, pain perception, and sleep. So how does CBD influences inflammation? Research suggests that CBD can modulate the immune system and reduce inflammation by interacting with endocannabinoid receptors. This could potentially provide relief for chronic conditions associated with inflammation like arthritis. What about CBD and its effect on aging? So as we age, our cells accumulate oxidative stress and inflammation. CBD's antioxidant property might help counteract this effect by neutralizing free radical and reducing the oxidative damage, supporting overall cellular health and potentially slowing the aging process and improving your overall health. Now let's talk about the CBD for recovery for athletes. Whether from intense workout or injuries, CBD may aid in reducing the muscle inflammation and soreness. Studies indicate that CBD can impact the endocannabinoid system's role in pain modulation, which might help speed up recovery and reduces muscle discomfort. CBD's anti-inflammatory and analgesic property could provide relief from chronic muscle pain by influencing the pain receptor and inflammation pathways, making it potential alternative for managing muscle discomfort. And lastly, how CBD impacts your sleep. CBD may help regulate sleep pattern by addressing factors like anxiety and pain, which are known to disrupt the sleep by interacting with the receptor involved in sleep regulation. CBD could help improve overall sleep quality, which is very good for recovery. Now let's talk about CBD in IV therapy. IV therapy is the method of delivering fluid, vitamins, and nutrients directly into the bloodstream. Adding CBD to an IV drip can offer a unique advantage. It allows for faster and more efficient absorption of CBD into your system compared to oral supplements. When CBD is infused via IV therapy, it bypasses the digestive system, ensuring that most of the compound reaches your bloodstream. This can lead to quicker onset of benefit and more effective results, especially for managing inflammation, pain, stress, and recovery. So could CBD in IV therapy be the next big thing for wellness routine? Drop your thoughts in a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos from MyFitMed. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.